Namaskar, myself Surendra Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you to our daily weather briefing program today, that is 19th March 2024. This is the observed weather during past 24 hours. Here you can see that hailstorm was occurred in isolated pocket over Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha and northern parts of Telangana, and heavy rainfall also occurred in isolated pockets over East Madhya Pradesh during past 24 hours. This is the maximum temperature of yesterday. Here you can see that Punjab, Haryana or northwest UP temperature between 26 to 38 degrees centigrade, and adjoining areas northern parts of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and East UP and East India, especially GWB, Jharkhand, Bihar and northern parts of Odisha between 30 to 32 degrees centigrade, and central India has received 32 to 34, 35 degrees centigrade temperature, and the peninsular India is between 36 to 40 degrees centigrade, including Gujarat region, especially Saurashtra and Kutch. And this is the departure. Here you can see that East India and Central India is departure minus 1.5 to plus 1.5, and over especially dark blue color indicate departure minus 1.6 to minus 3.0 degrees centigrade, which is indicate that this region was affected thunderstorm activity during past 24 hours, so departure is very less. However, over Jammu Kashmir and Saurashtra Kutch, Northeast India, the departure is positive around 3.1 to 5 degrees centigrade past 24 hours. This is the highlight of the presentation. Light to moderate rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm, lightning and hail likely continue over East and Central India during next 2 days, and enhancement rainfall activity with thunderstorm over Northeast India and adjoining South Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim during 20th to 23rd March 2024. Now I am discussing about the weather system of today. Here you can see the one cyclone circulation lies over Vidarbha and neighborhood, and another cyclone circulation over northern parts of West UP in low troposphere level. Including this, a trough runs from Vidarbha to SIK, another trough runs from Jharkhand to South Assam, and one trough runs from Arunachal Pradesh to South Assam. Including this, WD also seen as a cyclone circulation as a trough over northern parts of country. The weather warning, here you can see that east and adjoining central India is expected thunderstorm, lightning, hail, gusty wind today, and it is reduced tomorrow in intensity. However, the thunderstorm activity likely to continue over this region during next 2 days, and over Northeast India is also expected during next 3-4 days thunderstorm and lightning. Including this, on approaching fresh WD on 21st, that thunderstorm lightning over Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir is also expected on day 3, day 4 with hailstorm also there. Including this, during next 5 days, heat wave condition in isolated pocket also expected over Saurashtra and Kutch, and the activity over Kerala is also expected on day 3 and day 4. Now this is the district wise weather warning for Madhya Pradesh. Here you can see that southeast Madhya Pradesh is expected thunderstorm, lightning and heavy rain also in isolated pockets today. On tomorrow the intensity is likely to reduce, but thunderstorm activity is also expected over the especially southeast Madhya Pradesh. And over Odisha, here you can see the central Odisha is expected today is good weather, including gusty wind, isolated hailstorm and isolated heavy rainfall. On tomorrow, the belt of rainfall and activity is likely to shift toward coastal region of Odisha, which is expected thunderstorm, lightning and isolated heavy rainfall also. This is the for Chhattisgarh. Here you can see northern parts of Chhattisgarh is expected today thunderstorm, lightning with hailstorm in isolated pockets. Tomorrow only thunderstorm expected over this region. For Jharkhand, only today good rain, good activities expected over southern parts of Jharkhand, including isolated thunderstorm, gusty wind 50 to 60 and heavy rainfall with hailstorm also, especially southern parts of Jharkhand. This is for Vidarbha. Vidarbha today also, East Vidarbha is expected thunderstorm, lightning or hailstorm. On tomorrow its intensity is reduced, only East only thunderstorm is expected on East Vidarbha. And thank you very much all of you to listening me. Namaskar.